Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is your first time of coming across this channel. Please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my family. And if you already subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. Guys, we're gonna beg, we're gonna dey support me. We're gonna give me something. We're gonna subscribe to my channel. We're gonna share my video, like my video, comment on my videos. Please support me in any way you can, please. Don't forget to turn on that red button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. After you subscribe, you'll see that bell notification. Help me turn on that notification so that anytime I upload a new video, now go dey be first person to notify. Abeg una support me. So wetin we are going to talk about today for this my channel na about that girl wey dey say Curtis. Either they say Curtis beat am, some say Curtis kill am. I don see another say the girl no die. Say na beat am say e no die. So na wetin I come talk about today. If e be say you be person wey no know that video wey I dey talk about, I go drop the video for side of my video. You know, as I dey talk, so I will drop the video for the side make you see video and the person wey me dey talk about. And I don come still hear say dem don still arrest all those people wey be say dem do that thing. So this matter don dey waka since for social media. I don dey see the video everywhere, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. This video e dey everywhere. I don dey see this video since. I come say okay, me I just leave this video first because I don even get I no wan really know wetin happen before I come outside to come talk. No be everything wey just come out, everything wey just happen, you just carry your mouth how to dey talk for the issue. You need to know wetin dey happen before you carry your mouth dey chook for inside issue, especially issue like this. So this topic, I go dey blame the both side. I go dey blame the girl for one side, while I go dey blame the boys for one side. Make person no come for me because of this video wey wetin I wan talk about this video. So wetin me dey talk be say in Nigeria like this, that is na the society wey for come meet ourselves be that. Na where we for come find ourselves na be that. You know, you wey be say you know say na army clothes, you no fit wear army clothes comot na. You make dem beat you for road naked you no try am, because that cloth na for army. Na only army dey wear that clothes. All those Curtis issue, you know say those music na only Curtis dey play am. You no suppose to come carry that music, you come dey dance, dey shake it for inside social media. You no suppose to come out go dey dance, dey use that video dey make this thing dey dance. Na their music. Na so that is na wetin we for come find ourselves. Na the society wey we for come find ourselves, that one na so dem dey be. Na so we know say dem be. No fit come dey carry Curtis matter video come to dey play for everywhere. Why go to the other side of the people wey be say dem beat the girl? If girl do carry una me video go dey do TikTok, if una no wan make person use the video do TikTok, if una no wan make una make person use the music do TikTok, why una carry the music go put for TikTok? Why una carry the music go put for YouTube? No be the person wey the person wey no be download am. Person wey dey play the music for YouTube, no be money wan use the video take make music take make am put the video music for inside YouTube. Sorry guys. No be money the person wey make use this thing make, no wetin make am put am for inside YouTube. No be money wey wetin make you know say the music is not allowed. You no wan make dem play the music. Why you carry the music go put for inside TikTok? Maybe people dey make video. As the girl come use the music do video now, una no go fit call the girl make una caution am, tell am say make the girl no try am next time. Una no go fit call the girl make tell the girl say make she go delete the video wey she do for TikTok. The video wey be say she do, make she go delete am. Instead, una carry the girl, una beat am. How she no let beat una even beat am if una no pay me for body o. When rumors full dey carry am say una rape the girl, una naked the girl, pastor dey tell am say open am. Wetin she wan make she open? She no get mama for house, you no get sister. If person dey harass your brother like sister like that, or you fit take am. All person dey disgrace una sef. Why person na dey disgrace una sef? Wetin tell us say make you open am, open am. Na wetin mama still take bring you come out like whether I say wetin mama still take bring you come outside, na wetin you dey disgrace so. You dey disgrace your mama, why you be say you still dey disgrace your sisters? If you get, you dey disgrace them. Why be say you na beat the girl, you know dey okay for una come dey naked the girl. Dey naked the girl. Why be say una dey heartless like this? Why be say una dey, what be say why be say some people na just too dey heartless? Una just too dey heartless. To beat the girl no come dey okay for am. No come say no beat am, no can let am. Una come dey naked am. Una come dey naked the girl. Is it fair? Is it fair? Even though the girl be say he do na something, even though the girl do na something, una no come fit caution the girl. Una no come fit say una beat am, make una leave am. Una come carry the girl, come dey naked am. Is it fair? Is it fair? If you be say you be boy, so you be man, you be boy, person go come dey harass your sister like that, will you take it? You go take am no matter what. That is no matter wetin the girl do. Let me say the girl come kill person. The girl no kill person. Na music she play. Music wey be say e see for TikTok. The music dey everywhere for TikTok. And they saw the girl use am do video. Wey be say the girl come say because the girl use the video, that is because the girl use the music come take do video. Wetin come make am come dey beat am, come make am come dey naked down. It's not fair. Oh, it's not fair. I even thank God say that is the police don't arrest those boys. I thank God. I thank God say police that I thank God say police don't arrest them. I thank God say police don't arrest them. Why they do like this? Now caution the girl. Maybe the girl just slide the music. I want to make the girl play the music. Many people just slide the music. That they just see this. They just slide the music. We go to come make them come dey beat and come dey naked down. At least now forgive and warn. He say this video no try am again. No do that kind of thing again. Or better see that video you make, go delete am. It for them much better than say they don't come carry the girl and come dey beat and come dey naked down. Now for caution the girl. This na come dey beat and dey naked down. Abeg, why they do this kind of thing again? Why they do this kind of thing again? Make una no dey do this kind of thing again. No matter wetin the person do, you no come keep person. Na music you see now she play. Na music wey you say people use dey do the video for TikTok. Wetin she say still see. You go still use the video do. You go still use the music do video for TikTok. I don't to get wetin I want to talk about this for. I want to get wetin I want to talk about this video because everything just dey provoke me about that video. Because the girl comes on, come make una come dey naked down. Come make una come dey get say rumor say the girl don die. So we not just keep person like that. We not keep person pikin, person brother, person sister. Me, we just kill her like that. We just keep person. That is life. We not brick. Life we don't know how they brick on. Without saying you just take her like that. We just take her like that because of the girl he play music. It is well. I don't get what I want to talk about this because I really talk the thing they provoke me. So my people, now for end is my video. I will see you now for my next video. Bye.